Okay, welcome back. Today we are in this topic behind the sound of this product, STEG. So we also invited Bernard, who installed quite a lot of this SSDSP 12, 16, and the previous model, I mean the lower middle range model, MDSP 10, right? 8 and 10, is it?
There's MDSP 8, MDSP 10, SSDSP 12, and SSDSP 16.
So today we take the flagship to talk. So Bernard, roughly share with me why this fella so powerful. I think in Indonesia quite a lot of people using this also. That's why today we decided to take this out to talk. You know, it's like a plug and play thing. I think your Burmester recent work also.
The Burmester is using the 12. So let's say if your car has more speakers, you need to integrate more channels into the system. You need to get the 16 if the 12 is not sufficient enough.
So the Burmester just nice as now. Baru dengar. Later we will share a video fully about the Burmester with the STEG SSDSP 12. So Bernard, who's this guy and why so powerful and what is he using and what's the power?
Okay.
Let me through.
So this SSDSP 16, so this is actually DSP with amplifier. Okay, so this you can actually drive your speakers without adding any amplifiers, using with it's an internal amplifier. So the channel, the amplifier itself will have 80 watts per channel output.
And 80 watts per channel.
And you can reach 2 channels up to 200 watts per channel. I mean 2 channels for 200 watts. You can bridge it.
So we have 16 channel.
Yeah.
We bridge it will be 8 channel extra. I mean total 8 channel lah.
Some sort.
Wow. So 80 is non-bridge. After bridge is
200.
200 per channel.
2 channel combined 200.
So
okay.
Class
D of course. This small.
Cannot be class A. So that's the built-in amp.
Yeah.
16 channel. Yeah. With all these powers. What about the output?
So okay, what do you mean by output?
Amplifier output.
Amplifier output.
I don't want to use this one. I just want to use the DSP.
Yes, you can actually use this as a DSP only.
Also?
Without using the amplifier. You can using external amplifier. So they have 16 low-level output.
Wow.
As you can see over here.
16 low.
So if you don't have enough power for your speakers, you can add amplifier on top of this.
Wow. Okay.
So in this SSDSP 16 is also using a very high-end DSP stuff inside, like those DAC and ADC things like that inside.
But before we go in detail, what is the input and the I mean,
for the input,
source, everything? Yeah.
For the input. Okay, for the input it's quite convenient actually. So okay, first of all, like those normal high levels, right? It has a 16 high level input. Okay. So you can integrate this to like newer cars like those Tesla or like this Burmester, everything, right? They have up to maybe 11, 12 speakers, sometimes maybe up to 15 or 16 speakers. So you can actually integrate everything into the DSP, and you can actually use the DSP and tune back the system using this thing.
So 8 channel, total 16. The gauge is how much I hear this one?
This
roughly?
Roughly around 4, I think.
Around 4 gauge. Not bad. Then let's say my source coming in from.
Okay, so let's say you want something better, you want something that sounds better, you can get an external player, a high-end player or whatsoever, or a Bluetooth receiver. We do have that also, not that one, the STEG Bluetooth receiver. Something like this, you can connect this into the DSP. This is a high-end Bluetooth receiver.
Wow. So RCA, coaxial, optical, the power. Wow.
You can use either one of these connections into this DSP. So this DSP, they actually have a RCA input. Okay. So there's 2 RCA input over here.
So my RCA from example, not here lah, maybe from my Android player.
Can.
I just come into here.
Like so, like those high-end Android players, they also will have like coaxial or optical
Yep.
output, right? You can actually connect it to these things also. So there's this optical, there's this coaxial.
Coaxial.
Yes.
Yeah, I see this OTG.
Yes, you can actually get the OTG cable and connect it directly to your phone also.
Means I can just open my Tidal and just play.
Yeah, some sort.
So simple. Wow. Come.
And it also has a Bluetooth receiver inside.
Built in already? You
Yeah.
only buy like last time.
No
The
need
old
to buy.
model, I heard the early days model.
Yeah,
you
but
need to
it's
buy.
a bit lower range compared to the higher end one.
So best to have this and this. The combo show win like that.
But still, without this, it's capable of doing many things also. Yeah.
True also. If you're not into like getting a Bluetooth, you're not a Bluetooth guy, then
Wired?
wired, fully wired here.
How you wire it, how you want to wire it in is up to you.
Yeah, and then if you think you want to get a Bluetooth deck, this guy, not bad. BT one, tested already, but I never post video only. Maybe go in detail what chip. Maybe share with me a bit more in detail.
Okay, so we go into this
Wow! Lucky. Today we can see internal of this thing.
internal of this thing.
So, yeah.
So this thing actually have, they are using AKM chips.
Wow.
So there's 4 AKM chips over here. 2 for the input and 2 for the outputs.
Wow. Okay. Wow, I see these capacitors all, these coils.
Yeah, this is it's meant to be designed this way. It's 80 watt per channel, right?
Wow, looks good, man. I mean, looks nice, looks neat. With the AK. I think many people nowadays looking forward for ESS, AKM, you know, all this chip. It's good that they built in also. So now we GMAT cost also no need buy a deck because we already built in everything. Won't buy so many for what? Right?
So they are actually using high-end models. I can't really see it there.
Yeah.
You have to zoom it in.
You're old already. I also cannot wear spec lagi cannot see. Wow. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So this boy is the flagship, right?
This is not for boys. These are for men.
Man and woman, not girl and boy. So at least now you all can see roughly inside there. There's a brief here you can see. Yeah. I think many people won't show inside until you buy yourself one and you open up. So at least Bernard today share that you can see some AKM chips, you can see some coils, you know, nicely built. You know, it's not like just shoulder here and there. It's a nicely done product by STEG. So actually I'm planning to get one also lah, but budget belum ada lah. Sabar lah. Sabar.
One day, my friend.
One day, one day, one day I'll have
one
this
day.
boy in the Myvi, then everyone can have some sampling listen. Okay, thank you Bernard for today sharing behind the sound of STEG. So if you're looking to install STEG product, you can always look for Bernard, you know, because he's a pro shop for STEG and pro STEG, AD, NRG. What brand you have? Okay lah. This 3 brand cukup main already. Now, as you can see behind there, also lots of speakers, everything. So Bernard, till we catch up again, the next thing we're going to share, the next topic is the Class A. The one next month we'll share about the Class A amplifier, the new one. The old one is a blue casing, right? Something like that, blue casing. But the new one's red. So it's even more enhanced version. We catch up again. See you guys. Thank you, Bernard.